Alrighty, we have an update here to the County Road 450 East grade crossing on the BNSF Mendota Sub just east of Neponset, Illinois. As you can see, foundations are in on both sides of the crossing. Over there and over there. And judging by the way these foundations are arranged, you can see the little slit there is facing perpendicular to the tracks, which would indicate that the foundations are going to be facing forward, or the bases are going to be facing forward, which is what these are currently. So it looks like they're going to remount these onto the new foundations and keep the same signals here, because normally BNSF on new signals, they'll face them sideways, facing to the right of the road. But it looks like here they're going to keep the same signals, which makes sense, because I mean these were installed just a year ago, so it makes no sense that they would replace them so soon after they just installed them. And you can see over here. Yeah, I compared this to the new foundations that are over at County Road 650 East by Buda, and those ones are facing parallel to the tracks. So, and that one is 100% getting new signals. So, I can pretty much infer from that these signals will be reused. I'm not sure if they're going to keep the same bells or not. I imagine they will. And then with 300 East Street, I'm not sure if they're going to keep the federal signal light frames there or not, or if they're going to put 12 by 24 inch Safetran ones on those. But we'll have to wait and see on that. You see the new bungalow there in the southwest quadrant, and all the gravel they got ready to go here around the new foundations and whatnot. So yeah, it shouldn't be too long now. They'll get these signals remounted, and we'll go from there.